Dahil mong message for the supporters ni Dada nimo.
Of course, I would like to extend my gratitude to all the supporters everywhere in the world, every Filipino everywhere in the world. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And ayun, from my whole family and from me.
Thank you. Thank you.
DDS supporters sa Mindanao, daghang salamat sa inyong suporta. Pero hangyo jud ko, di jud ta mo undang because our only goal is to bring him home.
So kausap natin ngayon si Ma'am Katie Duterte, ang bunsong anak po ng ating mahal na dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ma'am, kumusta po ang pagbisita mo kay Tatay?
Okay naman, it's the same. He's still in good spirits. Of course, you know, he always portrays this macho persona. Ganun pa rin siya. And of course, I started with giving him a massage again. Because ever since I was a little girl, we would have massages together since I grew up sleeping beside him. So, ayun, I gave him a massage. We talked about the family, and I talked about Mira, our baby girl, because it's her birthday today. So, yeah, so yes, Mom, in a week. So yeah, he is happy to, and he asked if there are people still waiting here outside.
Pinatanong ni Pastor Apollo Tizoy kung kumusta si Tatay Digong at sabi ni Pastor pwede ka daw magbigay ng update para
So President Duterte is good. He is starting to eat the food that they are giving him there, and ayun, he is ganun pa rin yung macho persona niya, hindi nawawala yun. And he still makes jokes, he asks about the family, he asks about the supporters, and he asked if there are people here outside today, and I told him there are people waiting for you outside every single day. So not just here, but in our house in Davao, I told him of the situation that people were setting up tents, were watching over the house. So he's very happy and grateful to hear that. He told me to extend his gratitude to every single one of you, especially the ones here outside today.
Dili ka mag-birthday, ma'am?
Yes, dili ko mag-birthday. So
Thank you, ma'am. Happy birthday.
So this is your birthday?
my birthday is on the 10th, ma'am. I am turning 21.
Wow!
Sabi ng...
Yes. Kumusta daw kayo si Pastor?
I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. Syempre, with the hectic schedule, there are some sleepless nights. But other than that, I'm fine. I was able to help organize my sister's birthday in Davao kahit through messaging people lang. So she's back there. She's happy, and I'm happy to know that she had an eventful birthday.
Naka-message, ma'am, sa KOJ kay Pastor o sa mga supporters?
Yes, of course to Pastor Ibaloy. Maraming salamat for always being here for us, and to his supporters, the KOJC community, right? Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ano ba one question? Nagkamoy na matanda kung na ba siya kauban sa sunod o wala?
Wala siyang 24/7 assistance, but he does have people who help him with, for example, with the food inside.
No, aside sa mga assistant something, same niya din. Wala siyang kauban siya?
Wala. He is by himself.
Thank you.
Thank you. Unfortunately, not bulad, but he told me a while ago he was able to eat fried rice. So it's fine because he likes fried rice.
Online school ka karon Kate?
Yes.
Online sa...
Ma'am, naay magpa-shout out.
Yes, sir. Sige, sa Madrid.
Mga DD supporters sa Madrid, sa Belgium, o sa UK karong unahon na tong UK, okay lang?
Okay, sige.
Ang UK mag-meeting di advances sila karon sa Peace Rally with PDP lang.
UK, this is in UK.
Message na to sa sa mga Peace Rally sa UK. Ang sunod sa Belgium sa
Isa-isa ko na to.
Okay, isa-isa.
Yes, no problem. So the first one is for the
UK.
I know. Hi to the Filipino communities in the UK. I am Veronica Duterte, the daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to your unwavering support and solidarity that you have shown during this tough time. My family and I are very grateful for all of you, every single one of you. And I hope and I pray that we do not stop until he is home. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Belgium, ma'am.
Okay.
Kasi both straight daw sila PDP lang.
Thank you, sir. Sige. Hi, to the Filipino communities in Belgium, I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to extend my gratitude to every single one of you for continuing the support for my father and for the whole family. Thank you from my family and I. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, ma'am. For Norway, please.
Yes, ma'am.
For Norway, please.
Okay, hi, to the Filipino communities in Norway, I am Veronica Duterte, the daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you who have been there since day one, throughout my father's political journey and until now. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you.
Pahabol ma'am, ang Madrid, Spain o Barcelona.
Madrid. Kadaghan. Sige. So, isa-isa ko na to. Madrid. Okay lang, no
Ano
problem.
lang, Spain.
Sige,
Madrid,
Spain.
Spain.
Okay.
O Barcelona.
Tinguban na lamang, Barcelona.
Okay, so to the Filipino communities in Madrid, Spain, Madrid and Barcelona, to the Filipino communities in Spain, I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you. And maraming salamat sa unwavering support niyo, walang tigil na pagsuporta from day one until now. Thank you very much from my family and I.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi to the Filipino communities in New York. I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you who have shown unwavering support for my father and the whole family since day one until now. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, Ma'am. Thank you. Denmark.
Denmark and
Sa mga del norte.
sige, so, lahi na to. Sorry, are you Bisaya?
Bisaya.
Okay, sige, lahion na to, ma'am. Sige. So, we'll go for Denmark first. Okay. Hi to the Filipino communities in Denmark. I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. And I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you who's been there since day one. Thank you for the unwavering support and solidarity. We love you, my family and I. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sambuanga del Norte. Okay. Last naman, okay lang. Sige. Okay, so to the Filipinos there in Zamboanga del Norte, maraming salamat sa inyong mga kababayan. Salamat sa suporta at pagmahal niyo sa aking ama and sa pamilya namin. Maraming salamat po.